Hey, welcome to another unboxing. These are the 2023 Morgan Silver Dollars from the US Mint. Let's see what we got. So I ordered these, the pre-order subscription program, at the same time as the uncirculated peace dollars, which still have not shipped. These shipped the 13th or 14th. They were charged on the 12th. The release date was the 13th, and they just arrived today. So I have the Morgans, but no peace dollars yet. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. So I ordered 3, and then at the time that I ordered, that was actually the household limit, I think. And then by the time I thought, well, maybe I'll add a few more, they were sold out. And that's probably for the better, because I don't know if this was the best thing to buy a bunch of. But let's see what we got. I like the mint packaging. Looks good. I've got this little certificate info, description of the obverse, description of the reverse, just, you know, the usual mint stuff. And let's see what kind of condition these are in. Doesn't look too bad. Interesting, a little bit kind of funky looking cheek. Almost like there's kind of a dimple going back to the ear, but I think that's actually in the design. I don't think that's a mark on the coin. Although it does have, I don't know if it's showing up on the camera, maybe a little bit. You see that? See that on the cheek? In person, that's actually like, almost looks like oily color splotch. Is that on the holder? No. That is on the coin. 100% on the coin. That's interesting. And there's some... No scratches. I thought there was some scratching in the field, but that was just some fuzz on the holder. Whew. That's a nice looking reverse. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I don't know what's going on there, but it's kind of neat looking. I'll say that. Let's open a couple more of these. Let's see. Let's open all of them up. Does this have it too? This has it too. Exact same. It's a little bigger on this one, actually. Let's see if I can get it. You see that? Hold on. See that? It goes up to the eye even on this guy. What's going on? Mint. But otherwise, I mean, apart from that, they look really good. I'm not seeing the kinds of spotting and kinds of issues that some of the other coins have had from the mint recently. I think these are better quality than the 2021s were, at least the ones that I've got. Let's see what else we have. Let's see. And this guy, the same thing, and now it's even bigger on the cheek. Also, now that's on the holder. But you see that weird, like almost oil slick look on the cheek. It's strange. I don't know if others are getting this or not. Let me know if you guys have any of these. Take a close look on your cheek in different light, kind of rotating it carefully. Are you seeing this weird oily slick kind of look on the cheek? It's only in this one little spot. The rest of the coin doesn't have it. What's going on? Okay, there's a little bit of a mark in the field over here. I don't like this one as much. And that's not just on the holder. Oh, no, that is on the holder because it's doubled up. And yeah, I can see in the reflection. Maybe you can see it. Yeah, see? That's on the holder. So that's not a problem. And again, the reverse looks pretty good. But these weird little oily slicks, they all have it. They all have the weird little oil slicks on the cheeks. See them? I don't know. I'll think about it, what I want to do. Probably keep, well, I don't know. I'm going to keep at least one. Whether I send the others back or eBay, I don't know. But I'm not too happy. Now that I'm looking closer, they all have that slick. And they're all about the same size, actually. It's just I just didn't fully take it in at first. Huh. Let me know if you guys have the same thing going on. I've got the Peace Dollars not yet shipping, but I'm sure they'll be coming soon. Once they do, I'll open those up with you guys and we'll take a close look. I got 4 of those because I had the 3. I saw that there was 1 left in stock, so I just upped my order to 4. I couldn't up it to 5. I tried. So I got 4 of the Peace Dollars coming. I really like the Peace Dollars in this matte kind of finish. I don't know. I'm still kind of iffy on the Morgan matte finish. It's not bad. I had the reverse. Always like the Morgan reverse. But I don't know. I just don't feel like it does Lady Liberty. Or I always want to call her Morgan. But I don't feel like it does her justice here. Whereas on the Peace Dollars, I think it just looks great. Just looks great. In fact, I think I have a couple over here. Let's fish around the stash. Yeah. Hey, okay. So these are the 2021s. Let's just do a quick comparison. Look at that Peace Dollar. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, that's awesome. So here's the 2021 Morgan. And here's the 2023. None of the weird oil effect on the 2021 that we have on the 2023. Otherwise, I think they're really comparable in quality. Do I see a little bit of a difference? I think there is a difference. There is a difference. Okay, take a look at the R in pluribus. Now look at the hair at the base of that R. Now in the 2023, I feel like the hair is in a slightly different position. But it might be my eyes playing tricks on me. I feel like the 2023 pulls that hair forward slightly. Just slightly. So there's probably some real tiny little differences, but that could also just be my eyes playing tricks. Let me know what you think. Let me know. My eyes could be deceiving me. But they are gorgeous coins. Let's check the reverse. Whoop, whoop. Let's check these reverses. 2021, 2023. Yeah, those are great. Now, the 2021 I have is the S here that I pulled out. You'll see the little S. It's not really a mint mark. I think it's like I think you'd call it a privy mark. I don't really know. But it's not truly a mint mark because it wasn't really minted in San Francisco. Whereas this is a true Philadelphia. They're both truly Philadelphias. Interestingly, I get some of that funky texture above the eagle on the 21, but not on the 23. Whereas I have the funky texture on the 23 on the cheek, but not on the 21. I don't know. Anyway, I'm really excited about these. I'm more excited about the proofs that are coming. And I'm more excited, honestly, about the Peace Dollars. And I'm especially looking forward to the reverse proofs. Oh, I can't wait for those reverse proofs. Those are going to be really cool. Look at that. Well, anyway, thanks a lot. I'll be back with the rest when they come. Take care.